headed by Lauren Mervley in the Netherlands. Shericka Jackson, Olympic bronze medalist, third in her last 3 races behind Thompson Hera and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She goes in lane 4. So there is the double Olympic champion. That's scarcely believable. 10:54 in Eugene last weekend, the second fastest of all time, but then only second in Lausanne on Thursday. A bit of a reality check for her. But in 10:64, the fastest non-winning time in history. Dina Asher-Smith, the British number 1, the world champion over 200 metres, goes in lane 6. Still nursing that hamstring tear that kept her out of the 200 metres final. Mujinga Kambundji having quite the season, isn't she, the Swiss number 1. Reached both sprint finals in Tokyo and a great win in Eugene over 200 metres last weekend. And completing the lineup for Jamaica, Natasha Morrison, who set personal bests at 1 and 200 metres this season. But Thompson Hera, for many people, that 10:54 in Eugene last weekend, many people saying that actually is, in all but stats, the best run we've ever seen in the history of this event, because of the almost definite wind-assisted 10:49 by Flojo all those years ago. 1988, that world record has stood since Indianapolis, the US trials. What can Thompson Hera do here? Her last 3 races, 10:61, 10:54, 10:64, astonishing times. So Burkhardt, Nita, Del Ponte, Jackson, Thompson Hera, Asher-Smith, Kambundji and Morrison. Away first time, the headband of Thompson Hera going well, pushing her well is Dina Asher-Smith. Thompson Hera though now through the transition phase into her running. Let's keep an eye on the clock. She's streaking away. 10:72. It's a meeting record that has stood since 2015. 1.3 metres per second. A slight tailwind propelling her forward, but well, she returns to winning ways. Would she have been pushed harder perhaps by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce were she here in Paris this weekend? Thompson Hera though, what a sequence, and she's now running in and around 10:70 for fun. Jackson this time upgrading from